Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back. Guess where we are? In the kitchen. Let's see what's happening in here. Come and join us. I will show you. What we have here and why we have this. A bit of Tabasco. We have a white pepper meal here. Chives chopped ready. And the lava salt. Slices of lime. My white wine and my hubby's special beer. Belgian beer. Brewed sot. Yes. Surprise! It's oyster night. We found this fresh oyster from Prisma. I think they have it once a week. This is from Holland. €1.95. They are selling it per piece. Yes. Keep it in cold ice bath. Keep it cold. So let's see. Remember to be careful when doing this. Oh. You have to cover your hand, to use a kitchen towel because the shells are so sharp. Sometimes it goes quickly. Sometimes you really need a muscle to find the muscle. Big ones. We have a special knife for that, for opening it. Yes. We have one here ready. Now he's trying to, my master chef is trying to find the mussel first from the side. Look at that. Yes. He found the mussel that's keeping the oyster in the shell. Scrape it. Look at the juice. Smelling fresh. That's how it should smell. You smell the sea from here. Scraping up the meat so it's easy to slurp. How we do it: salt, pepper, lime, or a squeeze of lime or lemon juice. That's it. High in protein, iodine. Very tedious job, but it's worth it. A must try. So we'll do it again. So I bought 8 pieces. Put it on the ice. We had some drinks, and now it's oyster time. We have a beddings of crushed ice. Wow. That's nice. Everything off. It's very precious.
This is the mussel to cut.
There's the mussel that he first tried to find. The first thing you have to find when you're opening the shell. And remember to be careful because the oyster knife is, of course, sharp, but the shell, I think, is sharper than the knife. 3 down. And that's it. And fresh, when everything is open, you keep it, it's very important that you keep it cool. Once you buy this, then right away you have to enjoy it. You open it just how he is doing it. Our oyster expert, oyster opener. And then you put some fresh pepper in it. He's struggling there in that one. Some are easy actually. I will show you again. Whew. Easy to open, but some are like hard-headed oyster. Clean it a bit.
You always have to make sure that these pieces are out.
Yeah, that's it doesn't go in your throat and it hurts.
See, like this.
Yeah.
Goes out.
Please remember to clean very well before slurping it, enjoying it. I just wish you can smell. It's really nice. Fresh,
like fresh
sweetness.
seed.
Yeah, there is some sweetness there as well. Salt, saltiness and sweetness. Now let's watch.
I'll wait with this one.
Okay.
Try this
One more. This is quite big actually.
It's a huge one.
Huge one.
So let's try.
And I don't mind. The price is the same, small or big.
Got it.
Yes.
Ho, ho, ho. Look at
You
that.
need a muscle to find the muscle. Look at
Upside
that.
down.
So the hard thing as well is just to find which one is the top and the bottom.
The bottom is always a bit more curvy, so it keeps the juice.
Bottom is curvy, it keeps the juice.
See, but these
Cleaning up.
pieces,
Yeah.
you have to make sure it's out. Because this is very sharp.
You know what it reminds me? This Alice in Wonderland. You know, he had a friend and they went there under the sea and the oyster were running away all the time. That's a funny but very nice movie.
But you see, there's
Cleaning
this
up.
good.
Yeah, it's so juicy. That's how it should be. So I think, yeah, I will continue this. So yeah, Tabasco is an option. It's not a must, but usually you just sprinkle some of the fresh, of course, freshly ground pepper is good, black or white, but we are using white. I have chives, chopped chives there. See, I will show you the one I bought. Wait. I have some coriander as well, but here's the chives. Yeah, the dahon, the damo. Yes, mga kababayan. Talaba in Tagalog. And oyster, of course, English. And ostery in Finnish, I think.
Oyster in Flemish.
Oyster in Flemish.
There's wheat.
Now we have a language tutorial. Now, and this is the salt, as I told you, the lava, salt, lime, squeeze some lime in it, salt, and then it's ready. Have to be cold, then it's good. And there is also an option, if you want to try, you sprinkle, we call it Bloody Mary oyster. Sprinkle some vodka in it, tomato juice, Tabasco, and lemon or lime and pepper, and some Worcestershire sauce. And that's a Bloody Mary. But if you want without alcohol as well, so that's Virgin Mary oyster without alcohol. So we get One more here.
This one is a weird one.
I think that's the weird one, he said. So that's the one who doesn't want to be eaten alive. Hi, we're back. Look at that. Chunky. What's that chunky one? Is
These
that
are
your
really
favorite?
Very nice oysters.
Very nice oyster. I'm lucky. We're lucky. Actually, there were left 10 pieces in the shop, and I just took 8 because that's enough for us, for 2 person. Yes. Guys, enjoy the night and or the day wherever you are. Take care of yourself. I'm still struggling there. And I'll see you.
Good job.
See you in YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done it yet. See you in my next videos. Like, share, leave your comment. Any suggestions, I will come back to you. Okay? I'll see you around. There goes our beautiful oysters. Just be sure that you are putting it on the platter, on top of the ice. Keep it cold, as I said before, and it's level straight, so you don't lose these precious juices from it. Beautiful. Cheers, guys. And it's ready to be digged in. Yes. We'll keep it simple, as how it should be. Small amount of fresh ground pepper. Few drops of, just few drops of, it's so small and you don't want to cover the taste of its And this is mine. Let's do it. That's it. Taste it. The juice, so fresh. Pepper. You don't need salt, actually. It's salty enough, so. Take a bit of lemon. A bit of chives. Pepper. See the juice there. Guys, we didn't find the pearl tonight, but this is enough. No pearl, but this is a pearl itself, believe me. I put a bit of squeeze of lime, a tiny squeeze or fresh white pepper, and that's it. You don't need much, not even salt. If I have 3 thumbs, I will put 3 thumbs up. Really good. Keep it fresh. Enjoy.